Hello everybody, let's glue book and my magazine only glue book. Yeah, we're going to be already in progress right now because I have edited this video, done a voiceover a million times over the past probably couple of weeks. As you can see, I'm piled up in a row. This video was done a long time ago, probably when I did the the harvest. And then I decided to go ahead and do my go ahead and glue book. But I was glue booking. What happened is I was glue booking at night when everybody was asleep, and so I didn't talk because I didn't want to disturb anybody. So I said, "Oh, I'll just do a voiceover." Well, fast forward all this time later. Goodness, even today when I tried to edit, I was interrupted 3 times. I had to keep going to go do things. Y'all know how that is. You know, it's never a dull moment, right? So I wanted to get the video up because I didn't want to lose. I didn't want this video to be lost because I have a couple of lost videos I've made it and just didn't have time to come back to. But I didn't want this one to be lost because I liked the ending. It was, I mean, the final layout. I thought it was cute. So like I said, this was done a long time ago when I did the harvest, when I harvested these images. But this one is like the what is it, the snip cut, no, the snip, let's chat, snip and glue book, where I just use a magazine and I harvest it and glue book at the same time. So that's what we're doing here. But today, just so I could get the video up, I'm not going to sit here too long. It's already sped up. The video's sped up, but I'm going to have to go, y'all, because I don't have time to sit here all day long and edit this video. Oh boy. As the kids say, life be lifing.